Hey guys, I'm back. It's been like a day, but since I'm on spring break, I'm trying to post more. So I finally brought to you a face tutorial. So I'm gonna keep the intro nice and short. Let's just jump right into it. I'm ready. You're gonna start with your circle. The circle is basically where the cranium is, the head is, and basically the foundation, basically where the skull is. So it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, my circle's looking kind of busted, but we don't talk about that. Let's just pretend it looks good. But it really doesn't matter what it looks like because you're gonna erase it anyway. So it really doesn't have to be perfect. And once you do the circle, you're going to draw a line horizontally across in the center, and then a line vertically down the middle. But when you draw the line vertically down the middle, you're going to extend it past the circle. Once you do that, you're going to put a line at the bottom, and that's basically going to tell you where the chin is and kind of map that out for you. So you start drawing the sides of the face, and what you're going to do is add another horizontal line right underneath that circle. And what that's going to do is it's going to tell you where the jawline curves and where you need to begin to curve the jaw. So here I'm drawing in the jaw for the face. And now we're going to erase the inner lines. And then you're going to add lines where the features are. And basically the eyes should be roughly in the middle. The nose should be like right underneath that circle if you have like the little faint lines left. And then the mouth should be kind of where I don't really know how to explain where the mouth is. It's like right underneath that nose. So then you're going to add 2 vertical lines on both sides of the nose. And what those lines are going to be is basically where the eyes should be placed and how far apart they should be. The nose that I draw is kind of just 2 little curves, and that's really it. It's nothing that crazy, and it's pretty simple. And with the mouth, I just draw a little, like, sort of, what is it, a trapezoid sort of shape? I don't know geometry, guys. And I basically draw that and put a line in the middle. And what that basically does is shows you where the top lip is and where the bottom lip is. Then you kind of just use those guidelines to make your lips. Okay, now that you have all your features planned out, you can erase all the guidelines, and that's the face. So now I'm just refining some details, and I'm going to do the hair. So when I do the hair, I always map out the hairline because that shows you how big the forehead is going to be and how the hairline basically falls. So there I am drawing the hairline, and what you're going to do is then draw the hair on top of it. Finished up some of the details behind the scenes, and this is the finished result. Here's me just signing it because I don't want it to get stolen. And that is the finished product. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And so yeah, guys, have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, bye.